Hey there, welcome to my new video. My name is Vova, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most out of Amazon's Prime Day as a seller. So I've broken this video into 3 phases: the pre-Prime Day, the Prime Day, and the post-Prime Day. I'm going to give you tips for each phase and how to make the most out of each phase, so you can get lots of sales on Prime Day and have a really happy Prime Day. So if this is something that might interest you, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. And now let's go see the video. So what is the Prime Day? Prime Day is a shopping holiday that Amazon created, and it brings in a lot of traffic and lots of sales for the sellers. The buyers get good discounts and good deals, and Jeff Bezos gets his. So how do we make the most out of this day? Let's start from the pre-Prime Day phase. First, like pretty much with every video I mention, you gotta have an optimized listing. Because if your listing is not optimized and is not salesy, no Prime Day or nothing's gonna help you really. So up here, I'm gonna link a video that's gonna help you with optimizing your listing and gonna get the conversion up on your listing so you can sell more on Prime Day. Please check it out later on. But also I wanna speak about expectations versus reality. Don't expect to sell out bazillions of items if you're not doing much to prepare for this day. If you don't really prepare and you're selling like 10 units a day, maybe what you're gonna sell on this day is maybe 20, 30 units. But if you invest time into making more of this day, you can actually sell much more. And if you have a letting deal set for this day, then you can expect to sell a lot of units. Up here, I'm gonna link a video on how to run a successful letting deal. And in this video, I explain how I was able to sell about $15,000 in sales from one letting deal. So please check it out later on. By the way, Amazon is gonna help you with more traffic because they're interested in getting more sales as well. That means they're gonna use television for promoting the Prime Day. They're gonna email their people. They're gonna make a lot of promotions for you actually and for themselves, but you will benefit from it. And that's why you're getting a lot of traffic, because Amazon is preparing the users for a crazy day. So you gotta have an optimized and indexed listing, right? We've spoken about it. You should also have some coupons ready because these will help you with more CTR, click-through rate, and will get you more sales because people are waiting discounts and coupons on this day. So you should really use clip coupons and make them ready before the Prime Day because it takes a few days for Amazon to approve them. Also, you should use buy X, get X% off coupons. For example, people can buy 2 products and get 10% off. But aside from having this coupon, you also gotta announce about this coupon. And how do you do that? I suggest you to one of your pictures adding something like a Prime Day deal. And there, show the kinds of coupons you have. For example, buy 2, get 10% off, or buy 3, get 15% off. But also, you gotta announce it as a deal. So for example, ask your designer to set something like limited Prime Day deal. And you can use it on one of your pictures. This way, it will not break terms of service of Amazon. But you can also use it on your main picture, but this might make problems with your competition. Although it's gonna give you much better CTR, click-through rate. What also can be done to assist this technique, near your sale that you're gonna show on one of your pictures, you can set the time limitation. So for example, if the Prime Day is gonna end on the 17th of July, you're gonna add something like deal ending on 23:59 p.m. PST, for example, and this will give extra scarcity to your deals. I mean coupons. You can also add Prime Day related keywords. For example, best Prime Day deals, Prime Day deal, Prime Day deals for dad. Now be careful with adding them to your titles because your competition and maybe Amazon won't like this. But if you add them to your description, maybe your bullet points, and then you index them, and then you get a few sales, maybe giveaways on these keywords, all right? You can create sales and better for people to search them manually, get a few sales ranking these keywords up pre-Prime Day. You can be indexed and rank on these keywords and on higher pages, and this might also give you extra traffic. But again, be careful with these keywords in your title, for example, because the competition might report you or Amazon might not even like it. Now, as for the PPC, the closer we will get to the Prime Day, and on Prime Day itself, the bids are gonna go up, and really high on Prime Day. And the big brands will definitely use this and they will shoot their bids up because, well, they have more budgets than small sellers. But what I would suggest you is to start promoting with PPC right now because the bids are going to go up and up and up until the Prime Day comes, all right? So it's better to start promoting with PPC right now so you secure better organic positions and not when the time comes and the bids are going to be too high for you to handle. Also, you should have your email list ready. And that means you can create deals for your email list and you're going to blast your email list with good deals on Prime Day. But you gotta prepare them in advance. So for example, if you have an email list or ManyChat subscribers, you can tell them that you're having a huge deal on Prime Day. And on Prime Day, I would suggest you having a few blasts to these people. And each blast will carry more and more scarcity. And the final blast will come in the end of the day. And it will say something like, this is your last chance to get our limited deal. and it's gonna come somewhere maybe 1 hour before the day ends. And these yield really good results, guys. Use your email list, use your ManyChat subscribers, and you'll get good sales. And give them fair discount, because this will give you more rankings for the future after the Prime Day and more money. You can also prepare influencers to promote your product on Prime Day. You can create a giveaway, for example, that leads to your ManyChat. Let's say you'll give away 10 garlic presses for free, and all the users have to do is click on the link in the influencer's bio. That will lead to your ManyChat. And then you'll give away 10 garlic presses, and for those who didn't win, you'll give like 20% off on your other garlic presses. It works pretty well. You can also use Google affiliate sites to promote your products. I will have a video up here once I make it, it's still not ready, about Google affiliate sites. But essentially the idea is to find Google affiliate sites related to your niche and to promote products on their platforms. I mean, on their websites. For example, if you have a gift for dad, there are many websites that have the gifts for dad kind of lists. And on this list, there are affiliate links, all right? And they get commissions out of this. And you can speak to these websites and ask to put your product on this website. And this gives really nice traffic. Now, some of these websites are gonna run deals for the Prime Day. So you can speak to them, ask if they are doing this. This is a bit of, how to say, it takes a while to contact them, but it can yield really good results because it is organic traffic from Google. Hopefully with time, the video is gonna come. I'm gonna make it, it's really nice. Now, what do you do during the Prime Day? Assuming everything was done right and you have all your email blasts ready, all the ManyChat, you have the influencers, you have the Google affiliate sites, you actually gotta just sit there and watch what happens. But also be cautious with your pay-per-click because it might eat your budget really hard on this day. So I wouldn't suggest you dropping huge budget right away. But if you're gonna be there live and checking your budget, you can actually make really good profits with it. But again, know that the bids are gonna be high and well, you gotta monitor your keywords and see what works better for you. If you're having a lighting deal on this day, then again, I would suggest you watching this video that I've tagged because you're gonna be more active on checking your deals, or you're gonna have your VA do that for you. But if you do have a lighting deal, please make sure to check out this video because there I give tactics on how to really make a lot of money from your lighting deals. So please check it out. But generally, this day is just the day when the traffic increases. So the idea is to have more visibility. That's why I've suggested you before to promote your keywords, to promote yourself and your listing before the Prime Day. So once the Prime Day hits, you're gonna be visible, that's it. And once you're gonna be more visible, you're gonna get more clicks, more sales, and more traffic. More traffic, more clicks, and more sales. And what do you do after the Prime Day? Well, you enjoy the halo effect. That means that if you had good sales, if your deals were successful, or if your PPC was successful, if your coupons worked well, if you got more sales generally, then your BSR, average BSR levels are gonna increase, and you're gonna show more sales to the system, and you might appear more as frequently bought together with other items because it might be different on the Prime Day. And the halo effect means that you're gonna get, with time, more sales because you took advantage of this day. So please take advantage of this day. Go and read blogs, go watch other videos because there's a nice opportunity, guys. It's like a little holidays like the Q4, but during the summer. Because after this, for those who are not selling the summer products, you're gonna have maybe a bit slow sales before they start to increase more closer to the Q4. So make sure you make the most out of Prime Day. Now, please check out this video over here. This is the video about the lighting deals that I was speaking about and how I was able to generate about 15K in one day thanks to a lighting deal. So please check it out now. You're gonna get some good tactics from there. And thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you like this video, and see you in my next one.